Hello, welcome. I'm Dean. I'm the MD and owner of Target Maintenance. Come in and have a look at our office. So this is our main office, and this is where our team deliver all of our services to all of our clients.
We're offering plumbing, roofing, electrical, decorating, fire compartmentalisation works, fire alarm system checks and installations. Our achievements here have been, we've made numerous buildings fire safe, so we've helped residents and made people safe in that respect. Secondly, we've grown a fantastic team here. We've created opportunity for a number of those here. We stand out against our competition. We are extremely transparent in what we do. We're professional in what we do as well. I knew that we could offer a better service than a number of our competitors at the time. So it was just about bringing those services and that knowledge together to offer that to our clients. BigChange has helped us grow through various avenues. It's much easier for us now to have a van, have the engineer in, have an induction, teach them everything they need to know about BigChange, and then have them out on the road so much quicker. It's been great for us in just being able to deliver faster, more concise, clearer, and just in a manner that ultimately our clients want. And if we continue to do that, we'll just stay ahead of the game. So over the next 5 years, there's some real good opportunities for us, both on facilities maintenance and on the fire safety aspect. We're able to offer additional services or certainly increase the level of services that we was offering. And there is plans there to continue growth. With BigChange in place, we're able to do that almost seamlessly. So who knows what the future holds, we're unstoppable.